Hi, my name is Kathy Childs, and I am the music director and worship leader for chapel here at Altaloma Christian. I love my job. I have been part of this school for 11 years, doing all the things music and musicals and worship. And this year's been a little different with the pandemic, where I haven't been able to teach music to its full potential, but I have still been able to be part of the chapels every single week. On a normal, regular year, I am able to be in the classroom for preschool, elementary school, and for middle school. In preschool, we sing, we dance every week, we learn about Jesus through music and dance moves, and we do a huge Christmas program that the kids just are excited about. In elementary school, we are really big on musicals, so we do 2 musicals a year. We do the big Christmas production, and then we do a spring musical. And then every class has a different curriculum, whether we work on music notation, music theory, composers, different parts of the instruments and orchestra family, and musicals. In middle school, we have project-based music learning. As 6th graders, they do a composer project. They do a whole presentation, a slide presentation, and present it to their class. In 7th grade, they create their own song and create their own music video that they share. And in 8th grade, we prepare them for their 8th grade graduation, where they perform together. And in the past, that's been either singing together or playing the hand chimes. And since the pandemic, it's been learning sign language and doing a song in sign language together. So it's been really exciting to see how music can take so many shapes and forms no matter what we go through. Not only am I a teacher here at Altaloma Christian, and it's been like a family to me the last 11 years, but I am a mom of students who attend here. I have had 2 children graduate out. I have one currently graduating this year, and I have another one that will be in 4th grade next year. So I have been a mom of a preschooler, an elementary school, and a middle schooler. There are 2 ways to get involved at Altaloma in music outside of the classroom, and that is our worship team for chapel and our choir. Our worship team rehearses on Tuesday afternoons. They consist of students who know how to play the keyboard or piano, drums, guitars. I've even had violinists who've been part of it. I have singers on worship team, and I also have students who are part of my AV team who work our chapel words every chapel. They are on a rotating schedule to get involved. They do special events, and it's a great way for kids to learn how to invite their friends to worship along with them without it being a performance-oriented group. The other group that you can be involved in is for 2nd graders up to 8th graders, and it's our Joyful Song Choir. And I love our choir because I have guys, girls that just want to sing. They just want to be part of it. They're my special speaking parts for my musicals. They do open house, they do choral festivals, they do special events. There's no audition. It's just I love to have children who have a heart for worship to be part of this group. Every year, we host the ACSI Choral Festival, where schools from all over Southern California come into our sanctuary, and we get to sing along with them. We get to support other schools, schools support other choirs, and we get to be able to worship together as one big group, not just individually. So my favorite day of the whole week are Wednesdays. And you know why? Because Wednesdays are our Worship Wednesday chapels. This is a day where we fill the sanctuary with students, and kids get to come together and they just sing and dance and praise God. There is no expectation. There are no boundaries. They get to just worship in their way, and we get to come together to do that together. We sing a couple songs, and then we have an amazing message by some of our guest speakers or teachers or parents. And it is a time where these kids get to realize how much they are loved by God, and they get to learn to worship in a free setting. Our chapels are not just for our students, but they are able to reach others on YouTube and Facebook. And we actually have a website for our chapel, which is www.chapels.alchristian.com, or check out our music website at www.music.alchristian.com. So check us out. If you have any questions, you can email me. Hopefully I'll see you on campus soon.